Hey everyone, welcome back to Traveling Compass Odyssey. If you're planning your next theme park adventure, you're in the right place. Today, I'll be sharing the best travel accessories that will make your trip smooth, fun, and stress-free. From staying cool in the heat to keeping your essentials organized, I've got you covered. So grab a snack, sit back, and let's dive in. A good bag is essential for carrying your essentials without weighing you down. Opt for a lightweight yet durable bag with multiple compartments to separate items like sunscreen, snacks, and souvenirs. Look for padded straps for added comfort and a water-resistant material to protect against rain or water rides. Bags with a compact design are also helpful for fitting into ride lockers. Theme park apps, maps, mobile tickets, and photo opportunities can drain your phone battery quickly. A portable phone charger ensures you won't lose access to these essential tools. Choose a power bank with a capacity of at least 10,000 mAh to last the entire day. Compact designs are easier to carry, and chargers with multiple USB ports can charge more than one device if needed. Staying hydrated is crucial, especially during hot weather. A collapsible water bottle saves space when empty and is easy to refill at water fountains around the park. Look for bottles made of durable, BPA-free materials that are leak-proof to avoid spills in your bag. Heat and humidity can make long waits in line uncomfortable. A cooling towel, which activates with water, can keep you refreshed throughout the day. Choose one that is lightweight and easy to wring out and reapply. Some cooling towels even come with storage pouches that clip to your bag for easy access. You'll be on your feet for hours, so invest in comfortable shoes with good arch support, cushioning, and grip. Avoid brand new shoes, as they can cause blisters. Instead, wear a well-broken-in pair, or choose moisture-wicking socks to keep your feet dry and blister-free. Water rides or unexpected rain can damage electronics and valuables. A waterproof pouch provides peace of mind. Look for pouches with airtight seals and clear windows that allow you to use your phone without removing it. Adjustable straps are also useful for wearing the pouch around your neck or waist. A sudden downpour can dampen the fun, but a compact rain poncho ensures you stay dry. Reusable ponchos are better for the environment and, more durable than disposables. Look for lightweight, foldable designs that can fit easily into a bag or pocket. Some ponchos even come with hoods and sleeves for full coverage. Sun protection is vital when spending hours outdoors. A travel-sized sunscreen is convenient for reapplication throughout the day without taking up much space. Look for broad-spectrum SPF 30 or higher and water-resistant formulas to ensure lasting protection, even on water rides. Sunscreen sticks or sprays can also be easier to apply on the go. Protecting your face and neck from direct sunlight can prevent sunburn and heat exhaustion. A wide-brimmed hat provides more coverage, while a visor keeps your head cooler. Choose breathable materials and packable designs that can easily fit into your bag when not in use. For families or Disney fans, an autograph book is a great way to collect signatures from characters. Personalizing your book with decorations or names can make it a fun activity for kids. If you prefer capturing memories differently, consider a compact journal for jotting down favorite moments or attaching photo stickers. And that's it for today's video. I hope these travel accessory tips help you have an amazing time at your next theme park trip. Let me know in the comments if you have any favorite must-have items or tips to add to the list. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you found it helpful. Subscribe to channel name for more travel and lifestyle tips, and hit that notification bell so you never miss a new upload. Until next time, have fun, stay safe, and make magical memories.